Maybe you should drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot of Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Make you haul, and I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Tell me the password. Slide city, you know what that means.
Let's do another natural hairstyles. Really easy and simple. It's 2 Bantu knot buns with a bang. So every time I do a ponytail or anything kind of slick down, I use Murray's or beeswax. My hair loves this. Anything else is not gonna work. It waves up. So I always use like a Murray's or beeswax. To put it throughout your hair and make it a little bit easier, just heat up the beeswax with your blow dryer. Just let the blow dryer kind of just go over the beeswax for a second before you actually start to spread it out throughout your hair. It's a lot easier to do it that way. Of course, beeswax is really sticky and thick. So that's what I like to do. And I just put it throughout my hair. I don't do layers unless it's supposed to be like really sleek ponytail. But for this one, I just did the top layer, whatever, and brushed it out. It did take me a minute to brush it out because I did not heat up the Murray's first. I just put it straight on my hair, and you see it's uneven back there. So don't do it that way or you'll be brushing for your life. So I'm just getting my 2 ponytails together. Very easy, very simple. And your hair, if it's already silk pressed, even easier. If not, of course, you'll need to press your hair out first. But this is also a style you could do on your natural hair, like curly too. I don't know about the bang, but really simple. So I have my 2 ponytails. Just adding my spritz, make sure everything kind of lays down nice and smooth. And I'm gonna do my edges. So I like to do my edges before I do the bang. The bang is like the end part for me. So just kind of taking those out. And I always have trouble, like, do I want a lot of baby hairs or not? But whichever. So the ponytail, or the bun rather, is very simple. You're just gonna twist your hair until it starts to get tight. And you can actually just push up on it when it's tight, and it'll start to form into a bun on its own. And you'll just wrap that bun around, but you'll feel it. You'll feel your hair kind of wrapping into a bun on its own, and you'll wrap it around the base of your ponytail and then just secure it. So I like to secure mine with another hair tie. You can use bobby pins or both, the hair tie and bobby pins. For this style, I just use the hair tie. And this is what it looks like. So my hair naturally has some shorter hairs that kind of pulled out there, but you can pull some down if you like as well. The other side was smaller than this side, so I'm just gonna redo that so it looks better. But every time I do my hair, I do it until it looks right. So just take your time, do it until it looks good. And as you can see, I'm twisting, it started to feel tight. I pushed up on it and it starts like wrapping on its own. And even with this, there's a lot of leeway too. So once you do wrap it, you can still kind of tug on it, move it around. You'll just want to use bobby pins to put it in place of where you like it. So no really like a technique per se for this one. Just start twisting your hair and the bun will form, and then you can also shape it yourself once you have it in the ponytail. I could have reshaped it with bobby pins if I liked, but I'm fine with these look just fine. So I'm gonna move on to my bang, and that's it. Very easy and simple. Now for the bang, I am just using a clip-in. So you can see I added a clip-in, one of them to the front so I can have a longer bang. I just thought that would be more cute. And that's it. That is it. That's the hairstyle. Now this right here makes it look a little more professional. So your hair will look super shiny, just a little oil sheen, and super cute. But that's it, guys. That's the hairstyle. Super easy, super cute. Another fun hairstyle you can do on an old silk press, or if you just want to do this hairstyle. I'll be honest, it doesn't last that long, but hey, it's cute. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and definitely stay tuned for more easy and affordable hair tutorials.